Welcome to Gower Road, the main road running all the way through SA2, and what have I got for you today? An absolute corker. We have got a 6-bedroom, 2-reception room, 2-bathroom property, fantastic parking outside with a garage just to the right, and we've got a little surprise for you in the back of the property, so follow me inside and we'll have a look around. So there we go then guys, we are now inside Gower Road in this fantastic open plan kitchen, stone worktops and everything you're going to have in here for the family lifestyle. The positives of living down in Sketty, you're on the interlinks then to some fantastic school catchment areas, you've got local shops just down the road and a fantastic GP as well just in the local vicinity. Let's take a look at the rest. That is my property for you today down on Gower Road, one of the most popular streets in all of Swansea. I'm going to leave you now just at the pool side with your garden just down below me, but if you fancy anything in this video, reach out for the information below and I'll see you soon guys. Bye bye.